Thank you. Okay, so let's go ahead and work these problems. So we have 9 parentheses 3x plus 4. Again, we're going to use the distributive property, right? So we're going to multiply the outside number with what's inside the parentheses. 9 times 3x. What is it, guys? 27. Thank you. 27x. And then the 9 times 4, we'll keep the positive sign, the plus sign, and that would be 36. 9 times 4. So there's your answer. Does everybody see it? Do we have any questions? And number 3, Jacob.
21x plus 14.
Yes, sir. So 7, we're gonna multiply it with the inside, in the inside parentheses. So we have a 7 times 3x, that will give us 21x. And then 7 times 2 plus 14. We're good? Please ask if you need some help. Let us know. Number 4. Positive or negative? Sure. Negative 20x. And then what? Plus? What word? All right, so number 4. We have 5x, parentheses, negative 4 plus x. We're multiplying the inside, right? So this one is going to be a little bit different, yes, but we got this, guys. So 5x times negative 4. Negative 20 x. So when we apply the 5x or multiply it times, times x alone, what do we get, Johnny? 5x. We have 2x. Square.
Square.
All right, thank you. So yes, so now we have 5x to the second power, or 5x squared. Very good. Do we have any questions about that? Because now we're multiplying, when you multiply a variable and another variable, now it becomes 2, but it's not x plus x. It will be x times x will give us x squared, or to the second power. If we have x to the second power times x, what would that be? Just an example. What would that be, Cash? X squared times x. No, this is just out of...
X squared times x.
Yeah.
X
X to the third power. Yes. Or x cubed. Right? Good. Yeah. Thank you, guys. So then, number 5, volunteers. Yes, Isaias. Yes, thank you. So we have, the answer is 12x to the second power, or x squared, plus 30x. So 6x, 2x plus 5, right? Can everybody see it? Sorry. We have a distribution here. 6x times 2x will give us 12, 2, right? And then x to the second power plus 6 times 5, 30x. Very good, you guys. Number 6. So now what are we doing? Now we're adding a like terms, right? So, Travis, what's the answer, sir?
2y plus 1.
You got it, sir. So, 1 plus 3y minus y. So we have the 1 by itself. We don't have any like terms. We don't have a 2 or 3 or 5 or 10. We don't. We only have that 1. We leave it alone. Huh?
I don't get why.
In a minute. I have one student out. And so we have left 3y minus y. Right? So these two are like terms. Now we simplify and we have plus 2y. Is that clear, you guys? Please let me know if you have, or let us know if you have any questions. Or if I go too fast or too slow. Number 8. No, not you. I know you know. I can't say your name, I'm sorry. Could you give us number 8? 9x plus. Thank you. Yes. So the answer is 9x plus 1. So we have 8 plus 2x minus 7 plus 7x. Like terms, right? These are our two like terms. And then these are our other two like terms. So 8 minus 7 will be 1. And then we have 2x plus 7x plus 9x. Good job.
Wait. If it's 2x.
Did I get it right?
If it's 2x's in an addition problem, doesn't the x cancel out?
Yes. If it's a minus?
Oh, okay, so subtraction.
Right.
So keep the x.
Huh? 7, the answer is 12y minus 3. And we got 2 more, you guys. We got this. Number 9. Volunteer. Yes, Travis.
-6.
-6. Did everybody get number 6? No, -6? You got something different? Okay. Yes, you may. All right, so let's do it then. We have a 3x minus 2 minus 3x and then minus 4. Which are our alike terms?
3 is 3.
We have the 3x and the negative 3x. What happens to those two? They cancel out, correcto. So now we have alike terms, negative 2 and our negative 4. You add them up and we have negative 6. Any questions about that one? I know it's a little bit different. And our last but not least, number 10. What do I have as an answer? Kevin. Negative 1y or negative y. Yes. Our invisible one, right? Did everybody get that? Negative y? No? Okay. Let's just work it out really quick. So 5 plus y minus 5 minus 2y. Our like terms are, start with the 5 and our negative 5. What happens to those? They cancel out. Thank you. And then we have positive y and we have 2 or a negative 2y. So what? Now we have 1 positive and we take away 1 negative. So we have a negative y. No, pues wow, right there. I'll work with that student. Any questions you guys? Is that one too confusing? Yes, Mr. John. When Mr. Travis comes back, you may go. Thank you, John. All right, thank you, guys. Thank you, Ms. Myers.
So we're doing some notes. So take out a piece of paper. We're just going to do a couple quick examples together. Okay, more simplifying expressions. So we're just going to kind of take them to the next level. So what we did yesterday, we're just going to bump it up a notch, really. Okay? So let's do something like this. Okay. So yesterday we decided that, like, if we have distribution, we need to work on that first. Okay? Hurry back so you're not missing out. So we're going to distribute this 2. Are we distributing a positive 2 or a negative 2? Negative 2. So this is going to just bring the 3x down. And then negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 4. So negative times positive is a negative. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay. Are there any like terms? Yes. So yesterday when we did distribution, we were done. Today, you're probably going to have some like terms, so you need to do one more step. Positive 3, and I'm going to change that subtraction to adding the opposite. So I have a positive 3 added with a negative 2x. So that's 1x minus 8. Okay, any questions? Okay, let's look at another one. I'm going to let you try this one. So 4 times negative 6 minus 2x plus 5x. So you're distributing here. You take out those multiplication tables that we handed out yesterday. If you don't have one, if you didn't keep one and want one, they're up on the side table. So here, 4 times negative 6, what is it? Negative 24. And then here, 4 times negative 2, negative 8. Bring that positive 5x down. Do you have like terms? Yes. Our x's are like terms. So is there anything to combine with that negative 24? No. So we're going to leave it there. Combine those. I can change this to adding the opposite. So I have a negative 8x and a positive 5x added together. What is that? Negative 3x. Any questions? Let's look at another one. So you can see it. Got negative 4n plus 2n times 6n plus 8. gonna do first? So I see some addition here in front, and I also see some distribution. So who would like to, who says that I should do the distribution first? Raise your hand. Okay. What about anybody that says I should do the addition first? Raise your hand. Well, I don't see any hands up, so that's good. Because remember, order of operations, we have to do any multiplication before we do addition. So this is a problem that I see a lot of students like want to add these together first. You can't. If there's any distribution, any multiplication, that has to come first. Okay? So negative 4n, 2 times 6 is 12. N times n is going to be n squared. And then 2 times 8, positive 16, tag along the end. Do you have any like terms? Yes or no? Like terms? Yes. Negative 4 and positive 16. So a negative 4 and positive 16 is going to be what? Positive 12. So we have positive 12n plus, is there anything to add this with? Nope. So just bring it over. Good there? So let me give you one to do. Let's do 3n squared plus 5n times n plus 3. Make sure you do your distribution first. Let's distribute. Do that first. The 3n squared is just going to come down. So 5n times n is going to be 5n squared. And then 5n times 3, positive 15n. Are there any like terms? They're both positive. So 8n squared plus 5n squared, or wait a minute, did I say 8? 3n squared plus 5n squared is 8. Okay, any questions? Hang on just a second. So any questions? Do we still have someone out? I lost track. Is anybody out at the restroom this morning? I don't think so. Oh, yeah,
Yes,
one.
I have,
We have one person out. So we
yeah.
have one. Okay, any questions? Okay. And the ones on top are not people.